Hello, this is Alex from phpacademy.org with another video for the new Boston. Now, in the last video we talked about arrays. In this video we're going to be looking at associative arrays. Now, associative arrays store data in the same way but allow you to change the key from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, however many keys you have, to a name of your choice. So first of all, this is from the prior example. I'm just going to delete this. Now, as it stands, we've got an array set up with 4 different types of food in. So we've got pasta, pizza, salad and vegetable, which turns out to vegetables. So at the moment this is key 0, this is key 1, this is key 2 and this is key 3. Now I want to store some useful information about this. At the moment we've just stored like this. Okay, it's not very useful as it stands. Obviously if we want to list this food then it is useful. However, I want to add some elements to this array that could be used in, say, a specific in real life environment. Now what I want to do is I want to, rather than have this as the value, I want to assign a value to pasta of the amount of calories that you might find in it. The same with pizza, the same with salad, and then lastly the same with vegetables. So I want to assign a value, and to assign a value to this key, remember this isn't a value anymore, I'm going to say equals and then a greater than sign, and I'm going to add a certain amount of calories that this can be equal to. So pasta we might say 300 calories. Pizza we're going to say equals and greater than, might be 1,000 calories. Salad we might say is equal to, let's say, 50 calories. In fact, no, that's not really realistic, 150 calories. And then vegetables, I'll say are equal to 50. Now if you carefully watch, remember we're using our commas after this, we're assigning this all in one, and then it's separated by commas. If you watch carefully how this will change, and I'll tell you how this will change before it does. Now this 0 is going to change to pasta, and then this equals and greater than sign is going to tell us how many calories here, and the same with the pizza, salad and the vegetables. So if I refresh, you can now see that pasta is equal to 300, pizza is equal to 1,000, salad is equal to 150 and vegetables is equal to 50. So our key of pasta is holding a value of 300, our key of pizza is holding a value of 1,000, our key of salad is holding a value of 150, and our key of vegetables is holding a value of 50. So now what we can do is, instead of accessing, let's just comment this out. As before, we accessed array elements like this. We used 0, 1, 2. So if you imagine, this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. Now if I was to try and access, say, element 0, that's pasta of 300 calories, when you refresh the page you can see nothing's happened. Now why has nothing happened? Because the key of 0 doesn't technically exist anymore, at least to our view. In actual fact, this has now become an associative array because we're associating pasta with a value of 300. So now if we echo out the food, the contents of pasta within this food array, we'll now retrieve the value 300. The same as if we were to echo out the calories in pizza, this will then equal 1,000. So you can see that we've now created an associative array. We're associating values to different keys, and it's by association, so you can understand now why it's called an associative array. So this is a better way in PHP, especially when you deal with databases later on. These, if you've worked with databases before and you know what fields are, or column names are, sorry, you'll have the option to use an associative array when you've gained data from a database. So associative arrays are really good to use, especially when you don't want to remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, because that can be a bit annoying. But yeah, that's basically associative arrays in PHP.